Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So here we are starting with the third page, that is the paper of 2020 June. We have already covered the paper of 2023 and 2021. We are going in parts, so you can check those two also. I will try to make the video short and crisp. And yes, you must know the importance of previous year questions because it has been proven that many questions are repeated. Yes, I have just checked these three papers. You can see that many questions are repeated, or you can see when you solve the paper, you get the extra information which I am also trying to share that might help you in the upcoming paper. So starting, the paper was of 200 marks, 100 questions, 2 hours, and yes, there is no negative marking. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Paper 2, History. Which of the following, question number 1, which of the following is not an absolute dating method? Dating method, and that too absolute. There are two types of dating methods, relative and absolute. Yes, relative is somewhat like एकदम exact नहीं बताता है, but it is used to know the age of fossils or artifacts. And जो absolute है, it is definite or chronological period, definite chronological period, dates or spectrum. So there are types of this method. So which is not? So first we have to know which are the methods of absolute dating. Then only we can solve this question. So paleomagnetic method, C14 dating method, thermoluminescence method, stratigraphy method. So the starting three are absolute and D is relative. Dating method. Yes, and the other types we can also get the information. The relative are biostratigraphy, stratigraphy, soil analysis, N2 nitrogen and phosphate analysis, typology, fluorine dating, seriation. And what are the types of absolute? Fission track dating, radiocarbon, archaeomagnetic, dendrochronology, paleomagnetic, valve analysis, WARF, electrospin resonance dating, obsidian hydration dating, cosmogenic nuclides method, luminance dating, argon and orgone, potassium dating. Yes. Question number 2. Paleobotany is the study of. If you know what does botany mean, botany is study of plants. So paleobotany, ancient plant remains. Which dash is one of the significant archaeological sites which throws light on Chalcolithic culture of Maharashtra? If you ever went through the Chalcolithic, just ऊपर से, you might have heard the name Inamgaon. Yes, it represents the Jorwe culture. Jorwe culture. It was divided into three: early, Malwa, and late. Early, Malwa, late, and from 1800 to 1200 BC. Yes, and it was on river Ghod, currently in Pune district. Grains with burials, दफनाने के साथ में अनाज भी दफनाते थे इंसान को दफनाने के साथ. Question number 4. You have observed in the previous papers also. There are questions on Harappa. You must go through each and every important point, basics and everything. Fire altars found at Harappan site of Dash bear special significance has been associated with community event. कुंतसी, कालीबंगन, सुरकोतोड़ा, मधी. So option B, Kalibangan. We can also find evidence at Lothal. Yes, at Lothal, and this suggests the fire worship, which was the sign of Aryan immigration, Aryan arrival. Fire altars. Dash. Two most important Harappan crops: wheat and barley, sesame and mustard, rice and peas, cotton and sugarcane. Answer is A, wheat and barley. Here the option is most important, wheat and barley. Sesame and mustard, rice and peas were also the part of crops, but most important wheat and barley. Which the following profession is not mentioned in Rig Vedic Samhita? Not. Weaver, potter, goldsmith, ironsmith. Weaver, potter, goldsmith, ironsmith. D, ironsmith. Lohar. It is not mentioned. Weaver, potter, goldsmith, building chariots, leather dyeing. These are the professions mentioned. Question number 7. The king of Vedic times, whose rule extended from one ocean to another ocean, was called. जिसका राज एक ओशन से दूसरे ओशन तक है. Yes, एकराज. Yes, एकराज. Match the following: Licchavi, Sakyas, Kolias, Videhas with ancient Gana with their ancient Indian Ganarajya capitals. These are the Ganas: Licchavi, Sakya, Kolias, Videhas. रामग्राम, मिथिला, वैशाली, कपिलवस्तु. अगर ज़्यादा नॉलेज भी नहीं है तो भी विदेहा माता सीता विदेहा से है वो, और उन मिथिला डी का 2 है. ये तो पता ही होता है मोस्टली तो सभी को, बट स्टिल नहीं पता होगा तो भी हम एलिमिनेशन ट्राई कर. और लिच्छावीस का भी यूजुअली पता होता है. रामग्राम और लिच्छावीस का भी पता होता है. वैशाली, यस, काफ़ी फेमस प्लेसेस है. ऑप्शन बी, साक्यास का कपिलवस्तु, कोलियास, रामग्राम. स्टिल लर्न तो सभी करने, पर कभी कभी एलिमिनेशन के थ्रू भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं. यस, मूविंग फर्दर. द मोस्ट फेमस शाटक of Mathura during post-Mauryan period was a type of Shatak. Note down the term. अगले एग्जाम में भी आ सकता है या फिर आ सकता है. मथुरा शाटक कहाँ फेमस था? मेटल, डांस, वाइन, क्लोथ. ऑप्शन डी, क्लोथ. स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ क्लोथ होता था ये, जो मथुरा में मैन्युफैक्चर होता था. Which of the following Writers ascertains that during his father's reign, Ashoka reduced the rising of the Nepals and Khasyas tribes of Himalayan mountaineers. Reduced rising of Nepalas and Khasyas. Yes, Kasi, Kautalya, Bhasha, Ashwagosha, Taranath. Option D, Taranath. He was a monk, Buddhist monk. Yes. Which of the following the Girnar rock edicts of Mauryan Emperor Ashoka mentions Kamboja, Gandhar and Apranta? This is a question related to something this. There was a question in 2023. It was about Rudra Daman in 2023. अगर 20 में प्रीवियस ईयर कर लेते हो तो क्वेश्चंस रिपीट होते हैं. They help you a lot. Trust me with this. Which of the following Girnar rock edicts? Girnar rock edict is of Ashoka, Rudra Daman and Samudragupta. Yes, 3. Ashoka's rock edict is made on huge stone and on it there are 14 edicts. उसमें से किस पर कंबोजा, गांधार एंड अपरंता का मेंशन है? फर्स्ट, 5th, 8th एंड 10th. ऑप्शन बी 5th. यस, 2023 में था, 2021 में भी था, 20 में भी क्वेश्चन. इस बाय द वे, इज इंग्लिश comfortable? Hindi plus English, or should I prefer only English? Panini did not mention dash as a type of gold coins in Ashtadhyayi. Panini's Ashtadhyayi, keep this in mind. एग्जाम में आ सकता है. As a type of gold coin, सुवर्ण निष्का, सुवर्ण मशका, शतमान. थोड़ा भी पड़ा होगा कहीं पर तो कर सकते हैं ट्राई, बट स्टिल आंसर इज डी, शतमान. यस. सुवर्ण निष्का एंड सुवर्ण नाशक, दिस वेर द गोल्ड कॉइन्स. इसमें से सुवर्ण और सुवर्ण रूपा वॉज ऑफ मौर्यन. सुवर्ण वॉज ऑफ कुशानास. निष्का वॉज ऑफ सातवाहना एंड सुवर्ण मशका ऑफ मौर्य. इनफैक्ट सुवर्ण रूपा वॉज ऑफ मौर्य एंड सातवाहना is a silver coin. Sana or Rupya Rupa of Mauryan period, this is a silver coin. And Karushapana is a punch-mark silver coin. Karle Cave complex was constructed by 13th. It was constructed by Nahapana. By the way, where is Karle Caves? They are near Lonavala in Maharashtra. And also like Western satraps. This and also there was help taken from The main complex cave was built by the Satavahanas and help was taken by Nahapana and other tradesmen. Sorry. Main was built by Nahapana and help was taken from Satavahanas and the tradesmen. Also, the largest Chaitya, Hinayan Chaitya, the temple, is present in this cave. Largest is present here, which was built by Bhutapala in cave number 8. Sorry. Question number 14. The Buddhist art of Gandhar is exclusively well known for. There are 2 questions on Gandhar in this paper. Gandhar School of Art. Absence of Buddha images. Prevalence of depiction of Buddha life scenes. Absence of Bodhisattva images. Only depiction of Jataka stories. Option B. Prevalence of depiction of Buddha life scenes. Question number 14. Gandhar School of Art is present in the Pakistan, Afghanistan region. Yes, it was prevalent in that region. Which of the following Gupta inscriptions is said to contain the most decisive evidence in favor of the exclusive land ownership of land by the state? This is something very off topic question because usually repeat नहीं होता है. ये वाला तो नहीं था, but still अगर आपको इलाहाबाद, जूनागढ़ एंड भीतरी के बारे में पता है तो आप इसको कर सकते थे सॉल्व. पहरपुर कॉपर प्लेट इंस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ बुधगुप्ता. Yes, it is in Bangladesh. This copper plate is in Bangladesh. In it there was mention of purchase and grant of land by a Brahman couple, resting place at Vihar. Yes, there was mention of these things in this copper plate, and also exclusive ownership of land by the state. Question number 16. Again on Gandhar School. Not used. Which of the material was not used in the Gandhar School of Art? Grey sandstone, terracotta, limestone, marble. वो टाइम पर मार्बल था भी नहीं. So option B, marble. By the way, let's revise the Gandhar School. There was more influence of Greco-Roman norms, and this Gandhar School was developed during the reign of Kushanas. In it, the Buddha was surrounded with a halo around the head. Hairs were wavy. There were ornaments, and the drape and style of garments was also different. Forehead lines, there were lines on forehead. It was much more different from the Mathura school. Yes, and the black stone and stucco, the material, along with this. Yes. Do revise Gandhar and Mathura School of Art. We will also try to cover these special points in upcoming videos. But for time being, please revise this. The following is not a composition of Nagarjuna, the scholar who was contemporary of the later Satavahanas. Nagarjuna. sorry, Nagarjuna, who was contemporary of later Satavahanas. He was a Buddhist of Nalanda University, Buddhist intellect of Nalanda University. He was very intellectual in chemistry, so he wrote 2 books, Rasa Ratnakar and Arogya Manjari, in chemistry, related to chemistry, and he is also known as Einstein of India. Einstein of India, because of his theory of idea of Shunyavada. Yes, which is somewhat relatable to theory of relativity. See, you might not be knowing this. It's not so easily known to people. So, which is not the book written by him? It is Setu Bandh. Question D. Option D, Setu Bandh. Yogachar, Rati Shastra, Rasa Ratnakar, Arogya Manjari. These are the books written by him. Question 18th. The coins of Dash dynasty depict the fish symbol on the rivers. Very very easy question. Pandyas, जिनका एम्बलम भी फिश का था. It was Minatachi. Tachi, which means fish rule. उनके एम्बलम को डिपिक्ट करता था. 19th. Which of the following temples is not an example of Pallava temple of architecture? Not an example. Option number D. Koranganath Mandir, Srinivasalur, Srinivasanlur. Yes, sorry for the pronunciation. Yes. Who among the following seems to have monopolized the trade in silk in ancient times? This is also very easy question. Yes. A. Chinese. We are masters. If we are learning for set or net, we are masters, and such basic questions हमें आने ही चाहिए. Yes. और हमें उन्हें शॉर्ट लिस्ट करना चाहिए पेपर में, ताकि पेपर में हम पैनिक ना हो एंड करेक्ट आंसर्स जो पता है उनके तो करेक्ट आंसर्स दे ही सकते. मूविंग फर्दर. Almost all classical schools of Indian philosophy believe in some form of doctrine of karma, except ये नहीं बिलीव करते थे. वैदिक, बुद्धिस्ट, जैन, चारवाक्स बिलीव नहीं करते थे. वो एथिस्टिक थे. एथिस्ट थे, मतलब भगवान में भरोसा नहीं करते थे. उसके साथ साथ वो आफ्टर वर्ल्ड, पुनर्जन्म वाली बात पर भी भरोसा नहीं करते थे. नो कर्म मोक्षा, sacred scriptures, वेदास, immortality of self. उनका एक ही परसेप्शन था, नॉलेज, अनुभव. यस, ओनली डायरेक्ट परसेप्शन, अनुभव. एंड वो मानते थे एयर, वाटर, फायर एंड अर्थ, सब कुछ इन चारों तत्वों से बना है. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज लोकयक्ता. सॉरी, लोकयता. Acharya Lakhulisha is said to be the founder of Lakhulisha. If you have seen the paper of 2023, there was some Mathura pillar inscription question of Chandragupta II, and in it was related to the Pashupata sect, and Acharya Lakhulisha is founder of Pashupata. So Pashupata is related to Shaivism. Pashupata sect. He is also considered as 20th and last avatar of Shiva and propounder of yoga system. मतलब योगा उन्होंने प्रैक्टिस करना स्टार्ट किया. लिंग पुराना में इसका मेंशन है. Shaivism and more precise the Pashupata sect, who called Harshvardhan Sakala Uttarpathnath, Bhanabhat Huyansang ध्रुव सेना टू पुलकेशिन टू. अब पुल ध्रुव सेना काकतिया वाले, पुलकेशिनी चोलक्या वाले, और सैंग का तो समझ में आता है बट वो भी नहीं बोले थे. इट वॉज बाणभट्ट, जिन्होंने हर्षचरिता लिखी है. हर्षवर्धन की बायोग्राफी, फर्स्ट संस्कृत बायोग्राफी हर्षचरिता. आगे बुक्स, उन्होंने कादम्बरी भी लिखी है. फर्स्ट नॉवेल ऑफ इंडिया, चंडिका सटका एंड पार्वती परिणाया. यस, मूविंग फर्दर. Read the question. Which of the following ancient cities was never the capital of eastern branch of Vakatakas? जो डेक्कन में थे, वाकटकास जो डेक्कन में थे और वो उनकी कैपिटल नहीं है. वाकटका के फाउंडर कौन है? विंध्य शक्ति. विंध्य शक्ति फाउंडर. इनको विंध्यकास भी बोलते हैं, विंध्यकास. और नंदीवर्धन तो इनका कैपिटल था. 2021 के पेपर में हमने ये सॉल्व किया हुआ है. पर्वपुर, पद्मापुर, इलिचपुर. आंसर इज डी, इलिचपुर. यस, Ilichpur was not capital. Which of the following Jain political historian of the 10th century composed Niti Vakya Amrut? Which of the Jain political historian Niti Vakya Amrut? It was written by Somadeva Suri. Don't get confused with Somadeva, who was from Kashmir. He wrote Katha Sarita Sagra. This Somdeva is different. He was from South India, Jain monk. He wrote Upasakadhyayana Yashasitalaka, and he was the court poet of Mahendrapala. First, he was court poet of Mahendrapala, where he wrote Niti Vakya Amruta, Nectar of Science and Polity. Nectar of Science of Polity. And then he was court poet of Yashodhar, court poet of Badeka II of Chalukya, and there he wrote Yashodhar Charita, yes, in Chalukya. एंड महेंद्रपाला के भी एंड चालुक्य के दोनों के कोर्ट पोएट रह चुके हैं. Read next question. Which king's Hyderabad copper plate gives information about the solar eclipse that occurred during the third Third year of the king's reign. Hyderabad copper plate. Solar eclipse. Question 26 का आंसर है पुलकेशिन. चालुक्यन. किंग चालुक्य ऑफ बादामी. और वाटपी. हैदराबाद कॉपर प्लेट चालुक्य से रिलेटेड है. कीप दिस इन माइंड. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग राइटर हैज रिटन एक्सटेंसिवली ऑन द सोसाइटी ऑफ राष्ट्रकूता एम्पायर. सोसाइटी ऑफ राष्ट्रकूता. अल मसूदी, इबन बटूटा, फरीद शिदगया, अब्दुल रज़ाक. अल मसूदी. ही वॉज इराकियन हिस्टोरियन एंड जोग्राफियन. यस, अल मसूदी. इजिप्शियन भी बोलते हैं, इजिप्ट से भी बोलते हैं और इराक से भी बोलते हैं. कन्फ्यूजन है थोड़ा. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टेम्पल्स इज नॉट एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बादामी चालुक्यन टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर. ये जो अभी आपको ने पढ़े पुलकेशिन. यस, ही इज रिलेटेड टू दिस डायनेस्टी. संगमेश्वरा टेम्पल, महाकुटा, स्वर्ग ब्रह्म टेम्पल, अलामपुर, लाद खान टेम्पल, आईहोल, महादेव टेम्पल, इदिगाई. दिस आईहोल टेम्पल इज वेरी फेमस. महादेव टेम्पल, इटकी. महादेव टेम्पल, इटकी. मत्स्य न्याय इन अर्ली medieval Bengal meant. Question 29. मत्स्य न्याय. Fisherman's court. State of chaos. Judge. Fight for legs of fish. State of chaos. When the king of Bengal, Sab Khan died, there was, after his death, there were many fights and protests in Bengal, and there was complete anarchy system. So it is referred to as law of fish or jungle. Law of fish or jungle. Law of fish. Question number 30. We have to increase the speed. Jinasena, the famous Jain scholar and author of Adi Purana, was at the court of. Jinasena. Rashtrakuta ruler Amoghavarsha I. Option B. And we also know that Amoghavarsha was patronage of Jainism. Yes. And this Jinasena was a Digambar sect monk. He is author of Mahapurana, Adi Puran, Trishalakti and Gunabhadra Parasva Charitam. Yes. अमोघवर्षा के कोर्ट में थे. Jinasena. The Cholas evolved different structures of control by designating zones in which Kotam was. Urban space, rural space, hilly region, pastoral cum agriculture space. Option D, pastoral cum agricultural space. By the way, let's revise the administration. Our division, Mandalam, then Valanadu, Nadus, and Kotam. सबसे छोटा विलेज, ग्रुप ऑफ विलेज, कोटम. Question number 32. Nalaira Divya Prabandham belong to Tantric Buddhism, Tantric Jainism, Shaivism, Vaishnavism. Option D, Vaishnavism. It is by Natha Muni. Collection of Alvar hymns. Collection of Alvar hymns. Yes. Alvar मतलब वैष्णविज्म वाले. नयनार मतलब शैविज्म. What was Gadayana? A copper coin, a gold coin, another name of cowrie shell, a silver coin. 33. Option number A. Option number B, a gold coin. Moving further, 34. Within South India, warrior lineages approximate to the Kshatriya model emerged only. कहाँ बने थे ये क्षत्रिय मॉडल वाले? इन केरला, तमिलनाडु, कोरोमंडल एरिया, आंध्र प्रदेश. इन केरला, according to Harbans Mukhia, Indian familiarity with Persian at the popular level can be traced to the writings and discourses of Nasiruddin Chirag, Moin al-Din Chishti, Ghesu Daraz, Baba Farid. Moin al-Din Chishti, yes, of the Chishti Silsila. In case में according to Harbans Mukhia, Indian familiarity with Persian तब ज़्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस होने लग गया था. Who introduced the ceremonies of Shizda and Paibos? Iltamish, Balban, Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Balban. By the way, what is Shizda and Paibos? Shizda का मतलब है kneel down, touch the ground with forehand in salutation to Sultan. यूजुअली हम मंदिर में भगवान के सामने सर झुकाते हैं घुटनों पर बैठकर, वही. एंड पाइबोस इज किसिंग फीट ऑफ द किंग, किंग के पैर चूमना. इट वॉज स्टार्टेड बाय बलबन, अलाउद्दीन खिलजी के टाइम पर भी थे. वेयर इन द डेक्कन डू वी फाइंड द अर्लीस्ट टर्की स्टाइल हमाम्स? Hammams in Golconda near Hyderabad, Firozabad near Gulbarga, Bijapur near the Gol Gumbaz, and Gultabad near Aurangabad. Option B, Firozabad near Gulbarga, earliest Turkish style hammams. At the time of accession, Iltutmish was the governor of Bengal, Sindh, Multan, Badaun. Option D, Badaun. And he उसका कब हुआ था राज्याभिषेक और किंग कब बने थे? 1230 आफ्टर कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक. Yes, he was the first Muslim sovereign. First Muslim sovereign and real founder of Delhi Sultanate. Iltutmish. Question number 39. During Alauddin's reign, a tanka was made of 48 jitals. Keep this in mind. 48 jitals. The fort of Jajnagar, against which Ulugh Khan led an expedition, was the kingdom of Odisha. It is now known as Jajpur, capital of Kesari dynasty. By the way, there is still अभी तक ओडिशा में किंग का प्रेजेंस है, जो जगन्नाथपुरी रथ यात्रा के टाइम पर साफ करते, झाड़ू लगाते हैं पहले और उनके बाद ही वो यात्रा की शुरुआत होती है. द भारूच होड़ इज एन आर्कोलॉजिकल फाइंड ऑफ डैश गोल्ड कॉइन्स. भारूच होड़ 14th century gold coins. 41. Prakhurek is related to social system of Vijayanagar Empire, festivals, law codes, revenue system of Vijayanagar Empire. 42. Answer is revenue system of Vijayanagar Empire. 43rd. One of the longest kanats in the Deccan, Kanat in Deccan, that supplied water to the dash fort. Golconda, Gulbarga, Bijapur, Bidar. Option D, Bidar. एंड कनट्स क्या रहते हैं? अंडरग्राउंड वाटर टनल्स. अभी प्रेजेंट है, इरिगेशन में अभी भी काम आते हैं. इनफैक्ट इन इराक और ईरान समवेयर अभी भी काफ़ी लोग इस पर डिपेंडेंट है फ्रेश वाटर के लिए. द निमतनामा अगेन रिपीटेड, इट वॉज इन 2023 ऑल्सो, रिपीट हुआ था तब. निमतनामा एज अ हिस्ट्री ऑफ पेंटिंग स्टाइल्स इज इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज it shows combination of Deccani and Rajputi style, emergence of a distinctive Central Indian style, combination of Iranian and Indian styles, emergence of the Deccani style. See, combination of Iranian and Indian style. At the Battle of Khanwa, Babur had to face इसके दो आंसर्स है. राणा संगा and a confederacy of Rajputs which was led by Rana Sanga in 1527. और इसमें विक्ट्री किसकी हुई थी? बाबर यस 1527. Which of the following Mughal rulers never established a permanent capital? Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir. Surprisingly, Akbar, yes, Fatehpur Sikri was his capital, but not permanent. Babur's permanent was Agra, Humayun, Dinpana, Jahangir, Delhi. Aurangzeb's first was Akbarabad and then Aurangabad in Maharashtra. अकबर की कैपिटल नहीं थी कभी परमानेंट. 47, ये तो पता है. अकबर abolished pilgrimage tax in dash and jizya in dash. ईयर्स पक्के से याद रहने पड़ेगा. Which day? It is in 1563. Pilgrimage tax and jizya in 1564. Question number 48. Name the monument built by Sher Shah in Delhi. Quwwatul Islam Mosque. नहीं. किला खुना मस्जिद, सीरी फोर्ट, हौस खास मदरसा. ऑप्शन बी किला खुना मस्जिद. Which of the following is an important source of study of Nizam Shahi dynasty and Malik Akbar? ऐन अकबरी, फुतुहत सलातिन, बुरहान मसीर, तुजुक बाबरी. It is बुरहान मसीर. It was written by तबातबा सईद अली तबातबा. (1591 से 1596) after Burhan Nizam Shahi of Ahmednagar. In it there is mention about the Bahmani kingdom and its division into 5 Muslim dynasties in South India: Bijapur, Bidar, Ahmednagar, Golconda, Berar. Yes, Bahmani kingdom divided into 5: Bijapur, Bidar, Berar, Ahmednagar, Golconda. Which of the following, 50th question, which of the following were the main Nayak kingdoms that emerged after the decline of Vijayanagar Empire? Madurai, Jinji, Tanjavur, Ekeri. Madurai, Jinji, Tanjavur, Ekeri. That's all for today. see you tomorrow with the remaining 50 questions. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.